Ever wonder why a walk in the park feels so invigorating? Well, here's a clue for you. It's not just the exercise or the fresh air, it's about the plants. Yes, those beautiful leafy entities that add color and life to our surroundings. They are much more than mere decoration for our homes or offices. They're components of our ecosystem, the beating heart of Mother Nature herself. These plants, they don't just stand there looking pretty, they are hard at work 24/7. They are planet's unsung heroes, tirelessly toiling away to make our lives better. There's a scientific basis to this, you know. Numerous studies and researchers have found that indoor houseplants or foliage boosts your mood and helps to improve your concentration, making you more productive and efficient. Now, isn't that something? Have you ever tended to a garden, watering the plants, perhaps talking to them, soaking in their vibrant colors and varied textures? If you have, you'd understand the tranquility and satisfaction it offers. A plant doesn't judge, it doesn't demand, it just gives. It gives us oxygen, it gives us beauty, it gives us a sense of accomplishment. Consider this. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen in a process known as photosynthesis. Essentially, they are converting what we exhale into something we can inhale, the air around us fresher and healthier to breathe. They are like nature's little air purifiers. Not only do they clean the air, they also absorb harmful toxins and release moisture into the atmosphere, helping to maintain a healthy indoor climate. Apart from their environmental benefits, plants also have immense psychological benefits. Have you ever heard of biophilia? It's a fancy term that describes our instinctive love and affinity for nature. The term biophilia was popularized by Harvard biologist Edward O. Wilson, who believes that humans have an innate tendency to seek connections with nature and other forms of life. In essence, being surrounded by plants taps into this deep-seated feeling, helping us feel more relaxed, calm, and ultimately happy. Now, imagine your home or workspace filled with these green companions, providing a soothing aesthetic appeal and creating an environment that's good for both your mental and physical health. The vibrant colors, the soothing greenery, the calming ambiance, it all adds up to a healthier, happier you. So the next time you're feeling blue, stressed, or just need a little pick-me-up, remember your little green friend. Take a moment to truly observe it, to appreciate its beauty and its quiet resilience. Take a deep breath and breathe in the fresh, clean air it has gifted you. And remember, plants are much more than just pretty faces. Their beauty is deep-rooted and their benefits manifold. They are mood lifters in disguise. So, add a little green to your life and watch as it transforms your world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.